Do you ever think about how close we've become?
All the time. You mean so much to me.
I love spending time with you. It's always special.
I feel the same. You make everything better.
You're the first person I want to share good news with.
And you're the one I go to for comfort.
Do you ever wonder if we're more than just friends?
I do, and honestly, I wouldn't mind if we were.
You make me laugh like no one else can.
That's because you bring out the best in me.
I feel so comfortable being myself around you.
That's what I love about us. No pretenses.
Do you think our friendship will ever change?
I hope it grows even deeper, whatever form it takes.
Sometimes I catch myself smiling when I think of you.
That's funny because I do the same.
You make even ordinary moments feel extraordinary.
That's because you make everything brighter.
If you were a song, you'd be my favorite tune.
And you'd be the lyrics I'd never forget.
Do you ever feel like we understand each other without words?
Yes, it's like we share the same thoughts sometimes.
I can't imagine my life without you in it.
Neither can I. You've become a big part of my world.
Sometimes, I wonder what it would be like if we were more than friends.
I've thought about that too. It's a nice thought.
You're the kind of person I've always dreamed of.
And you're everything I've ever hoped for.
Do you believe in love starting as friendship?
I do. The strongest love grows from understanding.
You make me want to be a better person.
You already are amazing, but I feel the same about you.
What's your favorite memory of us?
Every moment with you feels like my favorite.
Sometimes, I wish time would stop when we're together.
Me too. I never want our time to end.
You make my heart skip a beat when you smile.
And you make mine race when you look at me like that.
Do you think love and friendship can go hand in hand?
Absolutely. Love rooted in friendship is the strongest.
I feel like I can share anything with you.
And I feel safe sharing my world with you too.
Do you think we're meant to be in each other's lives?
I believe so. Our connection feels so natural.
You've changed how I see the world.
You've changed how I feel about myself.
What's the first thing you noticed about me?
Your kindness and you.
Your smile. It lit up the whole room.
That's because I was looking at you.
Do you ever feel like fate brought us together?
Yes, it feels like we were meant to meet.
I wish I could pause time when we're together.
So do I. Being with you is my favorite escape.
Do you ever get butterflies around me?
Sometimes, and I try to hide it.
Don't. It's nice knowing I'm not the only one.
You're not alone. I feel it too.
Do you think we could ever be more than this?
Only if we both want it, and I think I do.
You're my favorite person to talk to.
And you're the one I trust the most.
Do you think about me when we're apart?
All the time. Do you think about me?
I do. You're always on my mind.
That makes me happier than I can say.
What's one thing you love about me?
Your heart. It's so pure and kind.
And I love your strength. You inspire me every day.
Hearing that from you means so much.
Sometimes, I wish I could freeze this moment.
Me too. It feels perfect, doesn't it?
Do you ever wonder what it would be like if we weren't just friends?
I think about it a lot, and it makes me smile.
You've become my safe place in this crazy world.
And you're my calm in every storm.
If I could make one wish, it would be to always have you by my side.
That's my wish, too.
You've turned my world into something beautiful.
And you've brought color into mine.
You always know how to make me feel better.
That's because you deserve all the happiness in the world.
Every time I see you, my day brightens up.
And every time you smile, my heart skips a beat.
I've never met someone as thoughtful as you.
That's because you bring out the best in me.
You inspire me to be more kind and patient.
You inspire me to be more adventurous and brave.
Sometimes I think you're too good to be true.
And I wonder how I got so lucky to know you.
You're the kind of person everyone wishes they had in their life.
And you're the kind of person I never want to lose.
Do you know how much you mean to me?
Maybe, but I'd love to hear you say it.
You're my favorite part of every day.
And you're the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Even your smallest gestures make me feel so special.
That's because you're worth every bit of effort.
Being around you feels like home.
And you make me feel like I belong.
Do you ever imagine what life would be like if we were together?
All the time. It feels so natural to picture us like that.
What's one dream you'd want us to chase together?
Traveling the world with you by my side.
I can see us building a beautiful life together someday.
Me too. It's a thought that keeps me going.
I want to create memories with you that last a lifetime.
And I want to be the reason for your happiest moments.
Do you think we'll still be close in 10 years?
Closer. I believe we're meant to stay connected.
What's one thing you hope for in our future?
That we never lose the magic we have right now.
I'd love for us to celebrate every milestone together.
That's my dream too. You make everything better.
You make me believe in love stories that start as friendships.
And you make me believe in happily ever afters.
Do you think our bond will keep growing stronger?
Without a doubt, it already feels unbreakable.
You're the kind of person I want to share all my tomorrows with.
And you're the one who makes my tomorrows worth waiting for.
I feel like we understand each other on a deeper level.
It's because our connection is so genuine.
Do you think we were meant to meet?
Absolutely. It feels like fate brought us together.
What's the one thing you love most about our friendship?
how effortlessly we can be ourselves with each other.
I've never felt so comfortable opening up to someone before.
That's because I'll always listen and never judge you.
Do you think we bring out the best in each other?
I do. You've changed me for the better.
If we weren't friends, do you think we'd still find each other somehow?
I believe so. Some connections are meant to be.
You've made me realize what true friendship and love can look like.
And you've shown me what it means to truly care.
Sometimes, I think we're closer than most couples I know.
Maybe that's because we have the best of both worlds.
Do you believe love grows from friendship?
I do. I think we're a perfect example of that.
You're not just my friend. You're my safe place, my person.
And you're my light, my anchor, my everything.
I've been meaning to tell you something important.
What is it? You know you can tell me anything.
I think I've fallen for you.
I've been waiting to hear you say that. I feel the same.
Do you think we could ever be more than friends?
I think we already are. We just need to say it out loud.
I've been scared to ruin what we have by saying this, but I'm in love with you.
You could never ruin this. I love you too.
What if I told you that you're my favorite person in the world?
I'd say you're mine too.
I feel like my heart skips a beat every time you're near.
And mine races every time you look at me.
You've made me believe in love in a way I never thought possible.
And you've made me realize how beautiful love can be.
I've been dreaming of a life with you in it.
And I've been dreaming of being the one you love.
Do you think we're ready to take the next step?
I've been ready for a long time.
You're not just my friend. You're the love of my life.
And you're the one I've been waiting for.
Sometimes I'm scared of losing you.
You never have to be. I'm here to stay.
Do you think our feelings could ever change?
Only to grow deeper and stronger.
I'm worried I'll mess this up somehow.
You couldn't. What we have is too special.
What if this doesn't work out?
We'll make it work because it matters to us.
Do you feel like we're risking our friendship by exploring this?
Maybe, but it's worth the risk.
You mean more to me than I can put into words?
And you mean the world to me.
Do you believe love and friendship can truly coexist?
I do. I think they make the perfect foundation.
You make me feel seen and valued in ways no one else does.
That's because you're everything to me.